Ryan to come over. And also Sherry Librado, please come over. Carlos.
Thank you very much. I always love charging you Rotarians, meaning are willing to be sacrificed. And you would like to make equal sacrifices also. Anyway, so in view of the solemnity of the occasion, I kindly request everyone to stand, please. You have been chosen for membership of the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan because our members or your members believe you to be leaders in your particular vocation, and that you manifest those qualities of heart and mind which fit you to interpret and impart the message of Rotary to the community at large. Today you are not merely welcome, you are entrusted. That's why I said you have to make the necessary sacrifices. As you begin your Rotary journey in Rotary year 2026-2027, you carry forward the spirit of our previous theme, United for Good, and now step into a renewed commitment. Our Rotary theme for the incoming Rotary year, create lasting impact. You are charged to live by the four-way test in thought, words, and in action. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial for all concerned? So you have to memorize it by heart. It took me 30 years to memorize that. You are charged to serve above self, not for recognition, but for transformation of lives, of communities, and of futures. You are charged to uphold the ideals of Rotary International District 3870, to be active participants in service projects, fellowship, and leadership. And most importantly, you are charged to become Rotarians not only in name, but in action. People who do not wait for change to happen. Willing to sign it with your blood, congratulations and welcome to Rotary. Congratulations.
We now proceed with induction of our new members into the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan, sponsored by members of Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan. You have been selected not by chance, but by character. Rotary recognizes in you the potential to serve beyond self-interest and to become part of a global network of people of action. Do you accept the membership in the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan? Do you accept the membership in the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan? Do you commit yourselves to uphold its constitution, bylaws, and the principles of Rotary International? May I now request you to please raise your right hand and follow after me. I state your name.
I, Isabella,
Having been duly admitted into the membership of the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan, sponsored by members of the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan,
sponsored by members of the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan, and the Rotary Club of Service of Excellence.
I further pledge to support and promote the Rotary International theme, the for Rotary Year 26-27 create lasting impact.
Rotary International aims for Rotary Year 2026-27.
I also promise to faithfully attend club meetings, pay my dues promptly, actively participate in club projects and activities. I recognize that the strength and success of Rotary
I recognize that the strength and success of Rotary
depend upon the commitment
depend upon the commitment
and active involvement of its members.
and active involvement of its members.
I further pledge
Further pledge
to uphold the highest ethical standards
to uphold the highest ethical standards
in my personal,
in my personal,
professional,
professional,
and community life,
and community life,
and to serve as an inspiration
to serve as an inspiration
and a person of action
and a person of action
within my community and beyond.
within my community and beyond.
I voluntarily assume these obligations
To voluntarily do these obligations
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Sit lang. Joy.
Marine. Tanong ako, dear. Lahat sa din.
5 taon lang eh.
Dear,